Come on to Storyteller London.
I'm waiting for so long. But matapnep he cook me.
Okay, I'm sure.
Mo ang lap slim bang ni. Ndri matapnep pula shit yang ah.
Beli you.
Gani ka film lade ban aktor mau. Actress kita.
Tata lihat kumna.
Ngaman sing hapan hino.
Dak mat phi mana pat ban ring.
Ngan ring hi ngan direct hi ke.
Tapi yang dak pila leke. Kerteng ke ke film.
Don't suicide. While you alive.
Ngam nang pareng kamut you.
Ka jing mut jong ni ka film jong teng jong ka film ka no. What no yap kat badang im.
Best mak kerteng juga film.
Amde tangga kerteng. Ka film ru ka the best pa.
Hapkan pareng. Ngapat ngam nang tekun pareng.
Ngan sa hikay mga. Haka film te.
Dali aku nang ini serang no.
Oh, ini sang no. Siang no film te. Ready? Camera rolling. Don't cover your eyes. Action!
Kisuka renga am.
How do I sugar you?
Pila ada nak kata rapi yang samna. Piset yang ama.
No, baby. I did not cook you.
Nalo balang ada betu yang ru dakum ni piset kala.
I'm very sorry, darling. I'm not fry you.
Ngam suka mentoy syuk kajing lang samna radu ngalit no iap no.
Please. Madak sini.
What please ngalit no iap no.
Do you know? Pan yap ya lady kalau ngepop. But mlak syuk ban map.
Syuk teh pelan.
If you know yap, police will pass me. Please.
Pelat jangan.
Please.
Syuk pelat jangan.
Please.
Pelat jangan.
If you know yap, police will pass me. Please.
Sure.
Please.
Pelat.
It is a sin to kill yourself. And it's not good to cook me. Please.
Pelat jangan.
Please.
Syuk. Pelat jangan. Syuk.
Please. Ngaklam dah tamay ite.
Syuk.
Nrenga hok pai tang ya pi. Please don't cook me. Please. Cut. Well done. So nice film.
Enggak acting jangan.
You are so trim.
Bisa.
Come and look.
Syuk pelat jangan.
Please.
Pelat jangan.
If you know yap, police will pass me. Please.
Kena deh.
Good.
Lalu shoot biang.
Kani kalau kut, I will race tomorrow. Kalau balik. Next film, kedai komedi, tangba pihak keren.
Kabiang tambah hikai perang noken bangan lak telak shooting.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Pin shoot beda kene kamera hi.
Yes. Super camera. Come. Sit here. I'll teach you.
If you like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.